I'm reviewing this Ugreen cable tester because I couldn't find one online. Of course, I mean this same exact model. It's pretty obvious, off, on, and this is fast. And it comes with a 9-volt battery. So this is RJ45 and this is the phone cable RJ11. So I'm having two cables here. This cable is full pin design, as you can see. All 8 cables are good. So this cable is working. And if you want to use the fast, it will go faster. That's it. And of course you can remove it if you have a long cable, not necessarily this short cable. If you have a long cable, 50 meters let's say, so you need 2 persons obviously. So one person will be holding this at the beginning of the cable and another person will be holding this at the end of the cable. Even if it is 50 meters away, it still works. Anyway, we will try this cable. This is a 4-pin design. So it's 2, 3, it's 1, 2, 3, 6. Let's use the fast mode. 1, 2, 3, 6. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 6. And I think this marker here stands for at least those pins should work. So 1, 2, 3, 6, or all of them, 1 through 8. So this is it. Very recommended, this Ugreen cable tester. By the way, I tried using it with a 50-meter cable and it works perfectly.